Hello, this is Photmula, which is quite close to Photkroh, and it's on the West Khasi Hills. And it goes all the way to Photkroh, the village up there, more than trekking via this lane. It'll be like, for me, it'll take me 1 hour, but for the other guys, local guys, maybe 40 minutes or less. And this is the bridge taking all the way to Ranikor, all the way to Meghalaya, and connect with South Khasi Hills. And this is the river under Mawsynram's Kynshi. And the river right now, since it's raining, so you can see the furiousness of this. Anyone jumping there, yeah, will straight away get washed away. So it's almost rocky now, but if the river is, if we have heavy rains, then definitely all these rocks will be covered with water. Like now we have just like the small rainfall, so we can see there, and there's lots of cave of these stones. But if the rain is heavy, what you have is all this will be covered in water, or even this bridge. Partially, of course. Robert, I'm Thank you.